Solana value equivalent to $102.32 a coin. The present exchange cost range $98.50 $102.76. The earlier day close $99.89. The change was plus 243, plus 243%. Reverse rate ICE to Sol. Solana figure for May 2024. To start with, cost at $80. Exorbitant cost $100, while low cost $80. The normal for the month $88. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $93. Change for May 16 3%. Solana cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $93. Excessive cost $116, while low cost $93. The normal for the month $103. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $108. Change for June 16 1%. Solana conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at $108. Excessive cost $134, while low cost $108. The normal for the month $119. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end $125. Change for July 15 7%. Solana cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $125. Excessive cost $144, while low cost $125. The normal for the month $132. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end $135. Change for August 8%. Solana estimate for September 2024. To start with, cost at $135. Exorbitant cost $150, while low cost $130. The normal for the month $139. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end $140. Change for September 7%. Solana cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $140. Exorbitant cost $173, while low cost $140. The normal for the month $154. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $162. Change for October 15 7%. Solana gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $162. Exorbitant cost $178, while low cost $154. The normal for the month $165. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $166. Change for November 5%. Solana cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $166. Excessive cost $181, while low cost $157. The normal for the month $168. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $169. Change for December 18%. Solana conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $169. Exorbitant cost $194, while low cost $168. The normal for the month $178. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $181. Change for January 1%. Solana cost expectation for February 2025. To start with, cost at $181. Exorbitant cost $195, while low cost $169. The normal for the month $182. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $182. Change for February 6%. Solana figure for WARP 2025. Before all else cost at $182. Excessive cost $199, while low cost $173. The normal for the month $185. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $186. Change for spring 2%. Solana cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $186. Excessive cost $231, while low cost $186. The normal for the month $205. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end $216. Change for April 1%. Solana conjecture for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at $216. Excessive cost $241, while low cost $209. The normal for the month $223. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $225. Change for May 2%. Solana cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place, cost at $225. Exorbitant cost $250, while low cost $218. The normal for the month $232. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $234. Change for June 4%. Solana conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $234. Excessive cost $245, while low cost $213. The normal for the month $230. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end $229. Change for July 1%. Solana cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $229. Exorbitant cost $259, while low cost $225. The normal for the month $239. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end $242, change for August 5.7%. Solana conjecture for September 2025. At the outset, cost at $242. Exorbitant cost $242, while low cost $189. The normal for the month $219. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $203, change for September 16.1%. Solana cost expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at $203. Exorbitant cost $251, while low cost $203. The normal for the month $223. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $235, change for October 15.8%. Solana figure for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $235. Excessive cost $235, while low cost $183. The normal for the month $213. Solana cost figure toward the month's end $197, change for November 16.2%. Solana cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $197. Excessive cost $197, while low cost $153. The normal for the month $178. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end $165, change for December 16.2%. Solana conjecture for January 2026. At the outset, cost at $165. Excessive cost $165, while low cost $129. The normal for the month $150. Solana cost conjecture toward the month's end $139, change for January 15.8%. Solana cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $139. Exorbitant cost $172, while low cost $139. The normal for the month $153. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end $161, change for February 15.8%. Solana estimate for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at $161. Exorbitant cost $169, while low cost $147. The normal for the month $159. Solana cost estimate toward the month's end $158, change for spring 19%. Solana cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at $158. Excessive cost $158, while low cost $124. The normal for the month $143. Solana cost gauge toward the month's end $133, change for April 15.8%. Solana conjecture for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $133. Exorbitant